In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change background color on Wix Editor. If you're building a site on Wix and want the page to feel more on brand, adjusting the background color is one of the quickest ways to make a big visual impact. Let's walk through it together in a clear, simple way so you know exactly where to click and what each option does. First, open your site in the Wix Editor. Make sure you're in the standard Wix Editor interface, not a preview or a different builder. Once you're in the editor, you have two easy ways to access the background settings. You can either click directly on the empty area of the page background or use the left-hand panel and select page background. If you click the page and it selects a strip or an element instead, just click off that element or use the left panel to ensure you're targeting the overall page background. When the background panel opens, choose the color option. This focuses the settings specifically on solid colors rather than images or videos. You'll see a selection of preset colors designed to work well on the web. These are a great starting point if you want something quick and consistent. If you have a brand color in mind, select custom. Here you can fine-tune the exact shade using the color picker or enter a specific value like a hex code to match your brand precisely. As you experiment, keep readability in mind. Strong contrast between the background and your text is essential so visitors can easily read your content. Dark backgrounds often pair best with light text and vice versa. Next, adjust the opacity if needed. Lowering the opacity can create a softer look or allow subtle design elements behind the background to show through, while higher opacity gives you a bold, solid color. If you have full-width strips or section backgrounds on top of the page background, opacity changes might be more noticeable in areas where those elements are not present. Aim for a balance that keeps your content legible and maintains a cohesive style across the page. When you're happy with the color and opacity, click apply. You'll see the change take effect immediately in the editor. If you don't notice a change, you might be viewing a section covered by another design element like a strip. Scroll or click away from that section to verify the page background update. Remember, changes apply to the current page's background, so keep your brand consistent if you adjust multiple pages. That's it, clean, simple, and effective. Now you know exactly how to change the background color in the Wix editor with confidence.